Uhuru Kenyatta followed with 100% transition so that we retain our children in school, and we started working our curriculum to be sure that we have a curriculum that is responsive to the market needs that we had. And we've continued in this way. You know, we used to transfer money to schools, 1,400 for primary kids, capitation. Now here it has been rationalized downwards. 22,000 for secondary school kids. Now here it has been rationalized downwards. And now in some cases it's not coming in. I speak sometimes to school teachers and principals, and they are really stressed about this and so on and so forth. Because policy certainty is necessary in the education sector. We will get together, we will put ourselves together and ensure that as we move forward, we solve this issue. We are a resilient country, we have sufficient resources to move our country to the next level. Some of these challenges we face are momentary. This is not child's play. Running a country is very serious business, as you have seen. The learning curve can be long. The challenges are there. As President Obama said one time, nobody will tell you the realities of sitting in an office until you get there and wake up in the morning and find that everybody is tuning their radio or TV to listen to you, and the decisions you make are going to affect so many millions of people, as it were. And then you see the kind of things that you have seen have happened in our country. Is it therefore necessary for us to now be serious enough and tell people your Christianity and your religion is your private affair? It is very good. It's very good if you are a good man and you love your wife, and that's all we are supposed to do anyway. And how you give your tithe and how you give your offering, that is between you and your God. For us, let us now manage the country. Twende kwa kazi, let's go to work. I would like to request you and appeal to you and persuade you that all of us, with the same spirit that you people have, we should now focus on how we move forward. The other day I was in Atlanta speaking to fellow Kenyans there. I said, you know, when we hire people, and you more than anyone else knows this because you live in the US, we ask them for their CVs, we look at their track record, we look at what they have done, where they have been, and what has gone on there. Why are we actually having a debate about tribes in our country? We go to hospital. I'm not aware of anybody who has arrived at Nairobi hospital and looked at the board and said, it's a doctor from my tribe of beauty today, so that I can be treated. You go in and you get a service. Government is supposed to provide services to you. Yes. I ask you, more than anyone else, you are the ones who are here in the US, who are exposed, who are in this environment. One of the things that you can do to help our people is to push through this same message, help that we are talking about here. Persuading our people to understand that where we are going to is not about ethnic communities, it's not about your surname, it's about a simple question. Can you or can you not do it? And then you can whether they can or they cannot do it. For us in Kenya, it's now becoming what we consider the Gen Z month. Let us also observe the 2 minutes of silence in honor of the lives of our young people we lost during the Gen Z uprising last year.